Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready for work. I'm going out. This is the second day of me taking the pipe cleaners out of my hair. And I hope that it just works out well this morning, that I don't have to do much to it. I just want to let it fall. I'm putting in my earrings for the day. They're just some little drop balls or hanging double ball earrings. And after I style my hair, then I'll put on my necklace for the day. While I'm styling my hair, which should be really quick, I want to thank my subscribers. Yesterday, as I was going through my notifications on YouTube, I saw that Shayla the Shea shared a video, and I was surprised. There's a lot of things that I don't know about YouTube, and now I've learned that because Shayla shared. And that's what I want from you. I want you to share my videos. I really appreciate it. To me, it's looking kind of almost matted. This one is dropping beautifully. I'm going to turn around to the back, and when you see it, I'm going to see it too, because I'm going to take a look in my hand mirror, see what it looks like. All I'm going to do is fluff it. Okay. We're going to go through this together and see what it looks like. So I am going to shake it a little bit. Okay. And I am going to let this hair go just like this today. This is how I'm going to wear it. Notice this one, I think, was rolled a little bit looser, so it's hanging lower. I'm going to pull these on the side right here, see if I can get them to cooperate and look similar to these. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do with my hair. I'm going to go ahead and put on my necklace, and then I'm going to show you my complete outfit. But thank you, Shayla the Shea, for sharing the video. Remember to like this video, comment on this video, thumbs up. Okay, when I say like, just click the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. There's a lot of content here. This is the necklace I'm wearing today, guys. Yeah, I'm wearing this. And I only wear this necklace when I have on a mock turtleneck or a turtleneck, so I don't feel it on my neck. But I like this. It's really stainless steel. It looks like pearl, because you know I like pearls. Now I'm going to show you my complete outfit in this next clip. But this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. I especially love God, because he's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. The joy of the Lord is my strength. Have a great day. This jacket really has pockets, but I have not cut it loose yet. And this is a light jacket. I'm going to be wearing this all day, because I'll be in my classroom. My classroom is a little chilly. Now I'm also going to show you the jacket that I'm going to wear over this, so that I'm warm when I go outside, because it's cold, guys. It's really cold. I'm going to adjust this. And I'm wearing Doc Martens this morning. I'm wearing Doc Martens to work.